Making a polished PowerPoint presentation usually takes hours of design and formatting. You fix the alignment, adjust the fonts, hunt for matching templates, and by the time you finish, you're exhausted. But what if I told you that you can create a complete professional presentation in minutes? Then go to Google Chrome, type WorkPPT AI. Click on the first one. You will see an interface like this. Sign up using the Google account and let's get started. Welcome to WorkPPT, your all-in-one AI platform that instantly generates beautiful, structured slides for any topic. Whether you're creating a business report, academic project, or personal presentation, WorkPPT saves your time while giving you professional results every single time. The highlight feature of WorkPPT is the AI one-click presentation maker, and trust me, this tool alone can save you nearly 80% of your time. Simply type your presentation topic in the box or upload any content. For example, here I have given the topic Solar System, a Journey Through Space, and now just click Generate. Within seconds, WorkPPT AI engine will analyze your content and create a complete ready-to-edit presentations. WorkPPT offers a wide variety of professional, stunning templates for every need. From business reports and startup pitches to educational lessons and personal projects, each template follows modern design principles, clean colors, balanced typography, and elegant visuals. So, I'm going to select a template from here. Now click on the plus sign and the PPT is generated. But what makes WorkPPT even better? The reason is how easy it is to edit. Want to see how it works? Take a slide that you want to edit. Here you can change the background color. You can give a solid color or a gradient fill. Now there are many options available. You can choose any color that you like. Now you can change the font color, and even the theme too, all in just few clicks. If you want to do any changes in the title, that also can be done. Just click on it. There are many options. You can change its font size. You can make it bold or italics, align to center as well. We can adjust the spacing in between the words if required. You can add symbols, then having numbers, letters, arrows, graphs, etc. And another interesting fact is that we can animate the titles and contours whichever we like in our presentation. Now, another interesting thing which I found is that we can add page, delete page, open the rulers, grid lines, and even reset the slides. Let's see how it works. I have an image of solar system and want to insert after the fourth slide. Just click on the fourth slide, go to edit option and choose add page. And then go to insert image and copy from the system where you have saved. If you doesn't like the template, you can replace the template by clicking on it and choose whichever you need. You can just preview before replacing the template. Once you're happy with your presentation, exporting is effortless. WorkPPT lets you export your work as PPTX file, PDF, or even high quality images. And because it's built with cross-platform compatibility, you can easily share your slides or open them directly in PowerPoint, Google Slides, or any preferred tool. Besides AI presentation creation, WorkPPT also includes powerful AI productivity tools to make your workflow seamless. Let's take a quick look on it. First one is AI chat. Just ask the built-in AI chat for instant answers, like your personal smart assistant. And if you don't want to read the whole sentence, just click on Convert to Voice. AI will read it for you.
The solar system consists of 8 recognized planets, which are categorized into 2 groups, terrestrial planets and gas giants. Here's a brief overview of each. 1. Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun.
Next is PDF tool. Under the PDF tool, you can merge, split, or convert the PDF, and even add watermarks or stamps. Like you can merge multiple PDFs. So select 2 or more PDF files from your system and click on merge. AI PDF will merge all the data automatically. You can add watermark to your PDF by uploading a file and typing under the watermark text. Then click on add watermark. The result is in front of you. Even you can stamp the PDF, upload the file, Mention the page number where you want to get it done. Write the stamped text and then click on submit, and there you are, your PDF document got stamped. AI Summarizer. Upload any document or link and WorkPPT can automatically summarize the key points for you. It's perfect for quickly understanding large reports or study material. The content which is saved and created by you will be displayed here. Then the invite list. You can invite your friends and colleagues using the URL. What makes WorkPPT stand out? Number 1, speed. It generates full presentation in minutes. Second, design quality. Professional templates built by designers. The third one, ease of use. It's beginner friendly. Fourth, the language support, as it is available in multiple interface languages. Then, its versatility, ideal for business, education, research, and startups. The free version. Try it out with multiple AI features before upgrading. If you haven't tried it yet, now it's the time. The link is given in the description. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tools and productivity tips.